Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome sa ating 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination. Our topic for the day is all about animal science. Third module is all about animal physiology. We will start with animal physiology. Okay. So, number one. What is the first organ system to begin to form in the embryo? So ano pong unang organ system to form in the embryo? Endocrine gland, circulatory, reproductive, nervous system. So ano pong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po is nervous system. Kung titingnan nyo sa egg, example sa egg, sa balot. 'Di ba titingnan natin sa incubator, if mag-candling tayo, 'di ba? Yung unang is mga nervous system. So yan yung unang maging first organ system to begin to form in the embryo. It is called nervous system. So in skull, what is protected by orbital cavity? So in skull, what is the protected by the orbital cavity? Orbital cavity is dito po sa eyes natin, orbital. So neuron, brains, eyes, spinal cord. So it is the eyes. So okay. So what is the external part of the air? External part of the air. Ano pong tawag? Auricle, eustachian tube, stapes, incus. So ano pong tawag? Ang tawag po is auricle. Auricle. What is the substance that lubricate a joint? A substance lubricate a joint. Endocardium, capriole, hygoma, synovial fluid. So ano po? Ang tamang sagot po is synovial fluid. Number 5. What is the class of small white blood cells produced in the lymph nodes that are important in fighting infection? So ano po sa lymph nodes? So lymphocytes, osteocytes, nephrocytes, neurocytes. Ano pong tawag? Ang tawag po dyan is lymphocytes. Lymphocytes. This is the white blood cells. Are also known as filter in the circulatory system. Filter in circulatory system. Pericardium, arteries, lymph nodes, capillaries. So, ang naging filter po sa circulatory system is ang lymph nodes. This lymph node is the loci, yung mamamaga kapag may may bacteria or may sugat ka, 'di ba? May sugat ka dito sa tuhod mo, 'di ba? Dito sa may bayag is may mag-form yan yung lymph nodes. So, what do you call the simple organic compound that dissolve in water and are essential for many of the chemical process in the body? So, ano po? Blood, hormone, enzyme, electrolytes. So, it is a electrolytes po. Electrolytes is water-soluble material. It is essential for chemical process in the body. What endocrine gland in the neck that regulates the basic metabolism? Dito po, what endocrine gland? Thymus, thyroid gland, pituitary gland, parathyroid gland. So, it is the thyroid gland. Dito po ang thyroid gland. So, where does the formation of red blood cell normally occur? Where does the formation of red blood cell normally occur? Brain, parathyroid, bone marrow, spinal cord. So, saan ginagawa ang red blood cells? Red blood cell normally form in the bone marrow. Bone marrow. Where is prolactin produced? Where is prolactin produced? Prolactin is a isa po siyang mga hormone responsible for the secretion of the milk na pregnant or after the birth of the mother. So, saan po? Ano pong part ng brain natin ang responsible to produce prolactin? So, anterior pituitary gland, posterior pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. So, thyroid at saka parathyroid gland. So, wala yan dito Dito yan. So, ang prolactin is produced in the anterior pituitary gland. What is the name of the pigment in animal skin? What is the name of pigment in the animal skin? It is A. Melanin, B. Melatonin, C. Adrenaline, D. Vasopressin. Ang tawag po dyan is melanin. So, word are erythrocyte stored that are not inactive in circulation in the body. So, yun nga, erythrocyte is the red blood cells. So, saan po ito? After, hindi na siya active or dying na siya. So, saan siya nire-restore? Pancreas, liver, spleen, cecum. So, it is in the spleen. Kaya nga, color black yung spleen. Sa pig is, palapad lang siya na medyo oblong. Ang sa chicken is yung circle malapit sa liver. So, yun po. Tawag dyan, spleen. So, what is located at the base of the brain that secrete the hormone regulate a certain body function? So, nandito sa baba ng brain. So, anong tawag dyan? Medulla oblongata, cerebellum, pons, pituitary gland. It is called pituitary gland. So, number 14, the basic metabolic rate MBR is governed to a large extent by the product of thyroid gland. What is the hormone? So, it is the serum calcium, adrenal, thyroxine, insulin. So, metabolic rate is governed large extent by the product of thyroid gland. It is the thyroxine. So, what hormone enhance glucose uptake by the cell? So, it is glucose uptake. So, it is an hormone. Kaya nga, if diabetic ka, kailangan mo mag-inject nito if sobra na po yung sugar content mo or mataas yung sugar level mo. I-intake nyo to para ma-absorb ng cell. Kasi ito lang po, ang insulin, ang tamang sagot po dito is insulin. So, ang insulin po is ginagamit siya para yung sugar na breakdown yung pagkain mo, sugar na breakdown yon, glucose, para ma-absorb sa ng cell, kailangan siya ng insulin hormone. So, yan ang gate or ang susi. So, if hindi yan ma-absorb ng cell mo, yung sugar level mo tataas at nagsisirculate yan sa buong katawan mo. So, what is the life expectancy of the red blood cell? So, life expectancy of the red blood cell, it is 1 day, 145 days, 1,000 days, lifetime. So, it is 145 days. In order to be successful, transport oxygen, hemoglobin must combine with what mineral? Ano po? It is iron, calcium, manganese, sulfur. Kaya nga, kailangan natin ng iron para hindi tayo anemic because of lack of oxygen. So, iron po ang tamang sagot. What gland is affected by thyroid? So, it is the thyroid po is goiter. It is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Goiter. So, what type of connective tissue bind to muscle to bone? It is the, yun, di ba, kumain ka ng fried chicken, pag ganun nyo sa, di ba, may white na parang matigas sa pit ng chicken, sa drumstick, gan. So, it is the tendon, muscle to bone, tendon. What neurological disease is caused by soil inhabitant known as Clostridium tetani? So, Clostridium tetani, kaya pag may sugat kayo sa paa, delikado siya. Bakit pa yung kahit maliit yan, bakit kayo magpapa-inject ng anti-tetanus? Because the Clostridium tetani is inhabitant in the soil. So, kaya nga, pag may sugat kayo, maapak dyan sa lupa, kaya nga, yung bacteria papasok sa'yo, kaya magkakause yan ng tetanus. So, ang Clostridium tetani is the scientific name of tetanus. So, what part of salivary gland is largest? The largest is mandibular, maxillary, parotid, jugular. Ang tamang sagot is parotid. What are the function of skeletal system? Provide frameworks, give body form, support soft part, protect vital. So, all of the above po, tamang sagot. What is biological name of skin and hair? It is called integuments. Integuments. Hair, ang skin, and saka dito, mga nails natin, ang tawag dyan is integuments. So, what is bradycardia? Bradycardia. So, ang bradycardia po, ano po yan? Sakit ng heart. Sakit po yan ng heart. Ano po yan? Bradycardia. As lower than the normal heart rate, faster than normal heart rate, high blood pressure, lower blood pressure. Hindi po yan. Wala na po yung dalawa. So, 50-50 na lang. Faster or slower. Bradycardia po is as lower than a normal rate. Mahina po siya mag-pump ng blood. So, bradycardia. So, where can you find an enzyme? Thialin. It is found in the saliva po. Saliva. Dito po. Saliva. Which of the following hormone do pituitary gland secrete? So, ano pong sinisecrete ng pituitary gland? So, it is secrete oxytocin, melanophore stimulating hormone, antidiuretic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. It is a melanophore stimulating hormone. Melanophore stimulating hormone. Which of the following system in animal body that uses smooth muscle? Which of the following digestive, circulatory, respiratory, orogenital? So, it is all of the above po. Lahat po yan is soft tissue lang. Hindi kagaya dito na mga matitigas po to. So, ang digestive system na to, smooth, circulatory, yung respiratory, lungs natin, smooth lang yan lahat. So, what are the animal body function that controlled by the endocrine gland? So, anong tawag? Growth, reproduction, metabolism, all of the above. It is all of the above. What's cellular components of animal blood that combat infection? Combat infection is WBC, word white blood cell. Farm animal are warm-blooded animal because of what? Bakit warm-blooded sila? So, because body temperature change in the environment. Temperature goes down 27 degrees, body temperature does not change. Temperature does not drop below 27 degrees Celsius. Yan po ang tama. What is the main function of parathyroid hormone? Parathyroid hormone. The main function of parathyroid hormone is lower blood calcium level, raises blood calcium level, regulates the activity of thyroid gland, control physical growth. Ang tamang sagot po dito is raises blood calcium level. So, what hormone, epinephrine and norepinephrine are secreted? Saan siya ginagawa? So, parathyroid. So hypothalamus, adrenal medulla, adrenal cortex. It is in adrenal medulla. So, what cellular components of animal blood that reduce blood loss when tissues injured? So, ano pong responsible dyan? It is the platelets. So, kasama ng potassium para ma-stop yung blood, mag-blood clot siya. So, nandito na po tayo sa 34. Ang tamang sagot po is medulla. Hindi pa. What part of animal brain control its respiration, circulatory, and temperature? So, anong part ng brain ang responsible sa ating respiration? Kaya nga, if ma-stroke mo kayo, ito yung affected, automatic dedo po kayo. So, ang tamang sagot po dito, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum, gray matter. It is the medulla oblongata. What type of tissue function or specialize in exchange of material? So, exchange of material. So, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, cognitive tissue. It is the epithelial tissue. So, exchange yung mga dead at saka yung bago, ito yung responsible dyan, epithelial tissue. Kaya nga, pag may sugat kayo, ang responsible po dito is epithelial tissue para mag-heal, maging scars, kagaya nito. So, okay. So, what fluid protects the brain from the spinal cord. So anong fluid? Protect the brain and the spinal cord. Cerebrospinal, interstitial, synovial, cranial. So it is the cerebrospinal. What is or are the component of plasma? So anong component ng plasma? Plasma po is, 'di ba, if after mag-heal yung sugat mo, sugat ka ngayon, blood pa yan. After ma-heal siya, ma-close siya ng platelets, 'di ba, may mga part diyan na parang watery. So anong component niya, ang tawag niyan is plasma. So water, ions, proteins, lipids, all of the above po. What is the outermost and toughest membrane? So, what is the outermost and toughest membrane? So, sa brain po ito. So, ano yan? Gray matter, dura matter, pons, minions. So, ang tawag dyan is dura matter. What organ of the body is thiamine converted into the active form? So, thiamine is converted to in active form. So, small and large intestine, pancreas and spleen, liver and kidney. So, what organ of the body thiamine converted into the active form? It is the liver and kidney. Thiamine, ginagamit po ito sa liver and kidney. What do you call the lining of abdominal cavity? So, abdominal cavity, ito po yung sa stomach natin. Ano pong tawag dyan? Peritoneum, mesenteris, ominta, ascites. So, it is peritoneum. Ang tawag po dyan pa. Yan po ang lining ng stomach natin. So, the body cell are made up of primarily of organelle, water, ion, and plasma. Body cell is made up primarily of, ano yan? So, it is made up of, ang pinakamarami, pilang percentage is water. So, almost 80 to 75% or 99% made up of water. What primary filtering point in the animal body? So, filtering. Siya ang nagpipilter. So, skin, liver, kidney, pancreas. It is the, ang filtering point ng animal body, it is the liver po. What is structure that consists of strong fibrous band that hold muscle and bone together? Muscle and bone, it is the tendons parati. Muscle, bone, tendons yan. What is the connective tissue that consists of strong fibrous band that help connect to bone and joint? Anong tawag? Bone at saka joint. Ang tawag dyan is ligament. Ligament. The area of animal that is completely encircled by vertebral column. Vertebral column. So, on the top by the ribs at the side and sternum on the bottom, it is known as. So, ito po. Ito, may ribs, sternum dito, may column siya. So, ano yan? Chest, ang tawag yan, body cavity. Thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity. It is the thoracic cavity. Bakit po thoracic cavity? Ito po na area part, thoracic cavity pong tawag dyan. Ang sa baba is abdominal cavity. So, 46. What blood vessel that drain too much, drain the stomach and intestine and carry blood to the liver? That drain the stomach and intestine and carries blood to the liver. Ano po yan? Cardiac, pulmonary, hepatic, portal. It is called portal. Bone grow in length. Bone grow in length from a cartilaginous area called, ano pong tawag niyan? So, osteon, perosteon, epiphyseal plate, endosteum. Ang tawag dyan po, epiphyseal plate. May bone na parang cartilaginous lang siya. Yung parang cartilage siya. Opo. So, what vein in the neck does a veterinary draw blood from and puts in fluid? So, ano po? femoral, coccygeal, carotid, jugular. Ito po, dito yung isa sa malaking blood vessel po natin dito. Pot, what vein neck, in the neck, does the veterinary draw blood from and puts in a fluid. So, dyan po, ini-inject yung mga, may mga vitamins injection. So, yan. So, ano yan? Carotid, jugular. Jugular po ang tamang sagot niyan. What does the bronchi connects? So, bronchi is, sa lungs po natin, bronchitis. So, mouth to throat, hindi. Larynx to pharynx, lungs to throat, esophagus to stomach. Wala na rin yung esophagus to stomach. So, bronchi is in a part of lungs. It is lungs to throat. Chemical messenger that causes slight higher body temperature. So, adrenaline, norepinephrine, all of the above, none of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. Adrenaline, yung tawag dito is adrenaline rush. Ito pong nagpapainit ng ating mga katawan. That causes chemical messenger siya. What type of the day will a farm animal have slight higher temperature? So, dawn, early in the morning, late afternoon, none of the above. So, it is in the late afternoon kasi lahat na na-consume niya na heat, energy in the sun, doon niya ma-apply sa late afternoon. And then, pagkagabi, ma-cool down yan. Kaya, pag early in the morning, mababa yung lower temperature. Kaya, ang pinaka-high is late afternoon. So, when an animal become agitated or scared, what hormone is released causing the increase of heart rate, respiration, and blood pressure? It is adrenaline, norepinephrine, all of the above. So, it is the all of the above po. Sila pong dalawa. So, the movement of water across cell membrane to height concentration of salt in order to dilute the concentration is called. So, ano pong tawag? Movement of water across the cell membrane to a high concentration of salt in order to dilute concentration is called. Anong tawag po? Diffusion, reverse osmosis, osmosis, plasmosis. So, example, your too much intake po ng salt. Kailangan nila niyan ma-dissolve. So, ang water sa cell membrane, para ma-dilute yung salt, anong tawag niyan? It is called osmosis. So, a chemical messenger that aid in communication between animal. So, ano pong tawag? Chemical messenger. So, hormone, electrolytes, body fluid, pheromone. Ang tawag po dyan is pheromone. Pheromone is the, kung sa animals yan po yung amoy nila. Example, sa cockroach, mag-secrete sila ng amoy. Responsible, nandyan dyan yung female. Kaya yung mga male nagpupuntahan. So, ganun. Yung mabahong amoy. Just like in ants, bakit sila, kahit malayo na yung leader nila, nandyan pa rin sila, alam nila kung saan yung daan because of the pheromone. Kasi in every ants, nagsisikret sila ng pheromone, yung amoy. Yan yung inaamoy nila. Ang tawag dyan is pheromone. So, what endocrine gland in the body actually works to control the pituitary gland by sending out specific releasing hormone? Endocrine gland in the body actually work to control the pituitary gland by sending out specific releasing hormone. Anong pong tawag? Thymus, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, medulla cortex. It is in the hypothalamus po. Hypothalamus. In general, the smaller the animal, the blank metabolic rate and the blank its heart rate. So it is a higher, faster, lower, slower, faster, higher, slower, lower. So it is higher metabolic rate, faster heart rate. Letter A po. The blood in the arteries has blank oxygen content that in the vein. Higher or lower? Higher, lower, slightly lower, the same. So, the blood of arteries has higher oxygen because it contain oxygen compared into the veins. Skin play an active role in converting sunlight to what vitamins? Vitamin D po. Kaya nga, kailangan din natin ng tao na ma-expose sa sunlight because of this vitamin D. What adrenaline whose primary responsible is to help the body handle short and long-term stress? It is the adrenal, thyroid, pancreas, parathyroid. It is the adrenaline. Kaya nga, if may discuss siya, malaki yung sugat mo, nabali yung, or nasugatan ka, hindi pa yan masakit. Kasi nandyan pa yung, ito, adrenal. Ang tawag dyan, adrenal. Temporary pa, short term or temporary to prevent the stress. Kaya after mawala na yung adrenaline hormone mo, adrenal, in any minutes or seconds or hour, sasakit na yan. So, ganun. Because of this adrenal. Younger animal have blank pulse rate than older. Faster po. Increased heart rate in animal will result to blank pressure. Increased heart rate na malakas yung siya mag-pump. So, anong tawag? Increase din yung blood pressure. So, number 64. From which of the following endocrine gland is the GTH or gonadotropic hormone? So, secreted. It is the adrenal gland, islets of Langerhans, in pancreas, pituitary gland, or thyroid gland. Pancreas, hindi, wala. So, it is the pituitary gland po. Ito po ang growth hormone, GTH. So, what do you call the liquid part of the blood after the fibrogen is removed? So, it is called plasma, lymph node, serum, leukocyte. If meron tayong sa laboratory, 'di ba? In blood centrifugation, yung isa-circulate siya, enable to separate the plasma, yung mga material ng blood. So, if ang fibrogen, ang fiber na nandun sa blood is ma-remove siya, anong tawag dyan? It is called serum. When do atria contract? Yung atria contract just before the diastole, during diastole, right after the systole, during the systole. So, kung sana po mas maintindihan nyo, basahin nyo po yung blood circulation ng heart. Kasi part din yan po ng exam natin. So, saan yung papasok, palabas, anong gagawin, ano yung systole, diastole. So, sana po mas maintindihan nyo po ito if mag-research kayo. So, don't worry, may ibibigay akong mga lecture sa inyo. So, during diastole, so it is called, during diastole. Atria contract during diastole. So, number 67, water that diffuses out of blood plasma is returned to the cardiovascular system by which of the following? So, lymphatic vein, aorta, lymphatic system, symptoms. So, it is in the lymphatic system. Which of the following is the most muscular chamber in bird heart or mammal heart? So, ito yung mag-pump palabas sa buong blood natin. So, saan na part? Right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. Ito yung pinakamakapal na part sa heart natin. It is the right atrium. So, where do materials are exchanged between the blood and the surrounding tissue? Saan po yan happens? So, blood and surrounding tissue, arteries, veins, capillaries, aorta. It is found in the capillaries. So, which of the following function of the circulatory system? So, temperature regulation, transfer metabolic waste, provide immune defense, transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. So it is all of this. All of the above is correct. What are the three major types of blood vessel? So, ang tatlo lang yan. Arteries, capillaries, at saka vein. So, cardiac, hindi, wala. Tatlong major blood vessel natin is arteries, capillaries, and vein. So, interstitial fluid is derived from fluid that is forced out of the following. Interstitial fluid. So, venule end of capillaries, arterial end of capillaries, lymph node, arteries, veins. It is the arterial end of the capillaries. Which one of the following is not part of cardiovascular system? Arteries, heart, blood, veins. It is the blood. Where do transport and transfer of oxygen to the body cell takes place? Saan po siya nangyayari? It is found in arteries, arterioles, capillary, venule. It is found in capillary. Di ba kanina sa question? Saan yun? Ito. Basta may question doon na sige na lang. Takes up in the capillaries po yan. The heart contains chamber and they are called what? Atria and ventricle, septa, AV nodes, bulbs. Anong tawag? The chamber is atria and ventricles. May apat na dalawang chamber pero meron siyang apat. The bulb that lie between the atria and ventricle are called what bulbs? Atrioventricular. Yan po. When the heart beats, familiar lub-dub sound occur as the bulbs of the heart. Lub-dub. Ano pong tawag dyan? Lub-dub. So, open ba siya? Close, expand, or contract? It is close po. Basta ito yung sounds. Lub-dub. The SA sinoatrial node is found in, saan yan? The base of the right atrium, the upper wall of the right atrium. So, each valve unit, tip of the heart, it is found in the upper wall of the right atrium. The SA node perform the function. So, initiate heartbeat, regulates the action of the heart, signal the ventricle to relax, signal the ventricle to contract. SA node is initiate heartbeat. So, AB node, ano pong purpose ng AB node? Initiate heartbeat, regulate action by the heart, signal the ventricle to relax, signal the ventricle to contract. So, ang AB node, ang purpose niya is signal the ventricle to contract. So, pasensya na po. Kasi yung area namin is nasa highway kami. Nandito ako sa store. Kaya maingay. Pasensya na po. So, hopefully, ito is ma-cancel natin yung mga through noise cancellation kasi alam ko na because of the noise hindi kayo makakonsentrate. So hopefully mabigyan ko kayo ng magandang explanation at techniques na para pumasa. So okay, so AB, so ano pong purpose ng AB? Signal the ventricle to contract. Ang SA node is initiate heartbeat. So familiar with the blood circulation po ha. So hopefully mag-study po kayo dyan. So blood pressure is the pressure balanced against a stethoscope, the blood, the heart, the wall of the blood vessel. So it is in the wall of the blood vessel. So ano pong ibig sabihin niya? Paano mo yan na ay high blood ako? Kasi if may patch yung blood vessel mo, yung daanan ng dugo, kagaya ng sa tubo natin, if maliit, from malaki, from heart, 'di ba? Malaki yung tube niyan. Tapos medyo manipis na yung papunta doon. So kaya nga yung pressure ng blood is high. So yan po. So the wall of blood vessel, yan. So the highest arterial pressure is called, ano po tawag? Diastolic pressure, systolic pressure, faster than the heartbeat, slower than the heartbeat. So ano ito? Anong tawag na pressure? Yung dalawa, wala na yan. Faster to the heartbeat, slower to the heartbeat. Wala na yan. So, ito na lang pagpilian natin. Systolic or diastolic. So, it is in highest arterial pressure, it is called in systolic pressure. If lowest din siya, diastolic pressure po. Systolic, highest arterial pressure. Systolic pressure ang tamang sagot. Diastolic pressure occur while the heart ventricles at relaxing, contracting, motionless. So, walang motionless po. Tinatawag, walang motionless. So, hindi ba gumagalaw? Hindi, gumagalaw pa rin yan siya. Contracting is nagpa-pump siya ng dugo. So, hindi, di ba? Ang tawag kanina, di ba, is systolic. So, dito is relaxing siya, diastolic po yan. Relaxing, tamang sagot. The greater the number of blood vessel dilate, the blank, the lower the blood pressure, the higher the blood pressure, the lower the blood pressure, the faster the heartbeat, the slower the heartbeat. Ano po yung blood vessel dilated? So, dilated is functional. Blood vessel is functional. Wala po siyang patch, yun. Ang tawag yun. So, lower the blood pressure. Yan po. So, the chamber of the heart that receive oxygen-rich blood from the pulmonary veins is the, ano po, is the left atrium. So, hatiin natin ng apat. So, left atrium, right ventricle. Then, dito is left ventricle, right ventricle. So, dito po, ang aorta, malapit. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is left atrium. So, the blank arteries are extremely important because they serve as heart muscle itself. So, ano yan? Cardiac, coronary, pulmonary, pericardial. So, it is called coronary. The coronary arteries are the first branch of the, ano yan? Coronary arteries, the first branch of pericardium, vena cava, pulmonary arteries, aorta. It is aorta. What do blood bring to the cell? What do blood bring to the cell? Ang blood nagdadala sa cell ng amino acid at saka glucose, carbon dioxide, pulmonary arteries, aorta. It is as amino acid and glucose. So, number 89. So, blood remove waste such as blank from the cell. So, anong nire-remove ng blood? Amino acid and glucose, carbon dioxide waste, ATP. So, it is carbon dioxide po. Which of the following component in the blood help guard the body against invasion of microbes? So, it is the white blood cell. Plasma protein blank is necessary to blood clotting. So, anong tawag niyan? Plasma membrane responsible for blood clotting. Fibrinogen, globulin, hemoglobin, renin. It is a letter A, fibrinogen. What are the most abundant white blood cells that function to phagocyte or eat bacteria? Ano po? Neutrophils, macrophages, monocytes, lymphocytes. It is neutrophils. Kumakain po yan ng bacteria, neutrophils. Fluid is driven through lymphatic system by the contraction of the wall of the lymphatic vessels, pressure creating by the pump of the heart, contracting the lymph nodes, squeezing the lymphatic vessel of the body's muscle. So, it is squeezing of the lymphatic vessel to the body muscles. So, fluid is driven through lymphatic system by squeezing the lymphatic vessel to the body muscles. The lymphatic system is important because liquid loss from the circulatory system return protein to the circulation, transport fats, carries bacteria to the lymph nodes for destruction. So it is all of the above. Ito po tama rin po kasi yung sa lymphatic system. Plasma is made up of water and metabolites and wastes, salt and ions, protein. It is all of the above. Tama rin po yan lahat. The components of blood that is responsible for blood clotting is platelets, erythrocyte, neutrophils, basophils. It is the platelets. The rhythmic beating of the heart is initiated by initiate heartbeat. It is sinoatrial node. In thoracic breathing, inhalation is the result of inhale. So contracting in the internal cos muscle, contracting the internal costal muscle, contracting muscle attached to the sternum. It is relaxation. The most common gas found in air is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It is nitrogen po. Ang pinakamarami sa air is nitrogen. Majority of carbon dioxide is transported in the blood through attached hemoglobin bound to oxygen dissolved in the plasma as carbon monoxide in the bicarbonate ions in the red blood cells. Ito po ang tamang sagot, bicarbonate ions in the red blood cells. So, stop mo. Hello, so number 100. So, the majority of carbon dioxide is transported in the blood through bicarbonate ions in the red blood cells. Okay. So, number 101. Wala. So, 102. The location in the lungs where the exchange of gases takes place is the... Saan po ang exchange of gases nag-occur? So, bronchus, alveolus, bronchioles, pleural membrane. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is alveolus. Bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus, alveoli. Yung ganun. So, alveolus po ang tamang sagot. So, 103. So, during expiration, so, blank pressure in thoracic causes the air to leave the lungs. So, decrease, vacuum, hydraulic. So, ang tamang sagot po is increase pressure in the thoracic cavity because nag-inhale tayo. Nag-increase yan, di ba? Tapos, ang pressure, kaya nga, palabas natin. So, increase. Air passing along the respiratory tract is filtered, warm, moistened with water. All of the above. Tamang sagot po is all of the above. The blank is held open by cartilaginous ring. May cartilaginous ring po siya. So, ano po yan? Larynx, epiglottis, trachea, glottis, trachea, epiglottis. So, ang tamang sagot po is trachea po, trachea. The bronchi lead into the right and left of the, larynx, glottis, trachea, lungs. So, ang bronchi is lead to the left and right of the lungs. Lungs po ang tamang sagot. Lungs. The bronchi branch into a smaller passage is called, anong tawag po? Bronchi. So, alveoli, bronchioles, microtrachea, bronchitis. So, anong tawag po? Ang tawag po is bronchioles. Each bronchiole terminates in a space enclosed by a multitude of air pockets is called. Anong tawag po? Each bronchiole termites in a space enclosed by a multitude of air pockets is called. alveoli, bronchioles, pleural membrane, auditory tubes. So it is called alveoli. So each alveolar sac is surrounded by alveolar sac is surrounded by arteries, veins, capillaries, lymphatic duct. So it is surrounded by capillaries. The lungs are enclosed by alveolar integuments, bronchial membrane, pleural membrane, diaphragm, sternum. So the lungs enclosed by pleural membrane. During inspiration, the following occur. So diaphragm muscle contract, ribs muscle contract, the lungs expand, and the air rushes in. So, meaning dyan is all of the above po. Tama po lahat. The respiratory center is located in the individual body muscle that use up oxygen, alveoli, medulla oblongata, diaphragmatic center, pleural center. So, saan po ang respiratory center? Respiratory center is medulla oblongata. The primary stimulus or stimuli for the respiration is or are. The primary stimulus or stimuli for the respiration is are carbohydrate, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen ions, oxygen gas level in the blood, oxygen gas in the hemoglobin, conscious feelings for the need for more oxygen. So, So the primary stimulus for or stimuli for respiratory center is the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion. So let's stop for number 15. So the respiratory center send out nerve impulses to the control center in the brain, muscle of the body that require use of oxygen, diaphragm of ribs, carotid and aortic bodies. So it is letter C, diaphragm and rib cage. So let's stop muna dito. Hello, so number 116. So blank refers to the exchange of gases between blood in systemic capillaries and tissue fluid. So what do you call? A, internal respiration, B, external respiration, C, aerobic cellular respiration, D, circulatory respiration. So exchange gases between blood, systemic capillaries, and tissue fluid. So it is a internal respiration po. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between alveolar air and blood is governed by what? Gravity, blood pressure, diffusion, active transport. So ano po? It is diffusion po na nangyayari sa lungs. Diffusion. So the blood flowing into the lung capillary has higher concentration of than atmospheric air. So blood flowing into lung capillaries has higher concentration of blank than atmospheric air. A, oxygen, B, carbon dioxide and oxygen, C, water, D, carbon dioxide. Ang tamang sagot po is oxygen, higher concentration of oxygen. What most of carbon dioxide being carried as blank ions as blood enter the pulmonary capillary. So ano pong tawag sa kanya? Deoxyhemoglobin, carbaminohemoglobin, bicarbonate, deoxyhemoglobin. So ang tamang sagot po dito is, di ba kaninang question is bicarbonate. So ions of bicarbonate. So letter C po ang tama. So number 21 refers to the exchange of gases between air in alveoli and blood in the pulmonary capillaries. So ano po? Exchange of gases. Internal respiration, external respiration, aerobic cellular respiration, circular respiration. Ang tawag po is internal external respiration. During external respiration in the lungs. So, ano pong mangyayari? So, carbon dioxide leaves the blood. Oxygen enter the blood. Carbon dioxide leaves the blood and oxygen enter the blood. Carbon dioxide enter the blood and oxygen leaves the blood. So, ang tamang sagot po is ito po. Carbon dioxide leaves the blood and oxygen enters the blood during external respiration in the lungs. Blood in systemic capillaries is bright red because ano po red cells lack of oxyhemoglobin. Red cell contain oxyhemoglobin. Red cell contain carbon dioxide. Oxyhemoglobin in plasma is redder. So, yeah, kung i-assess po na itong question, ito po is oxyhemoglobin in plasma is redder. No, hindi. Red cell contain carbon dioxide, hindi po. So, lack of oxyhemoglobin, hindi po. So, it contain oxyhemoglobin. Kaya reddish in color. So, oxygen diffuse out of blood into tissues because oxygen diffuses out of blood into tissues because oxygen concentration of the tissue fluid is lower. Carbon dioxide concentration of tissue fluid is lower. Carbon dioxide concentration of tissue is higher. The oxygen concentration of blood is lower. So, ano pong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po dito is oxygen concentration of tissues fluid is lower po. Blank is the form when hemoglobin takes up carbon dioxide. So, ano po? Blank is form when hemoglobin takes up carbon dioxide. Ang deoxyhemoglobin, carbaminohemoglobin, sodium bicarbonate, oxyhemoglobin. So, anong tawag po? If ang hemoglobin po mag-takes up, instead of oxygen, it takes up of carbon dioxide, it named as carbaminohemoglobin. The most of carbon dioxide contained with blank forming carbonic acid. Ano po sa kanya? Hemoglobin, oxygen, water, sodium bicarbonate. Most of carbon dioxide combined with water forming carbonic acid. Water po. Ang carbon dioxide, mag-contain siya ng water, maging carbonic acid. So, carbonic acid dissociate into ano po? Carbon dioxide, bicarbonate, and hydrogen ion. Carbon and acid, sodium and bicarbonate salt. So, ang carbonic acid, if ma-breakdown siya or dissociate into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. Bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. Respiration includes breathing, external respiration, internal respiration, cellular respiration. Lahat pong ito is tama po. Ang tamang sagot is all of the above. Air remaining in the lungs after very deep breathing is called vital capacity, tidal capacity, residual volume, ventilation rate. Example, huminga ka na lang, exhale, inhale. Pag exhale, inhale, exhale. Pag exhale mo, yung naiwang oxygen na nandyan ay tinatawag na residual volume. The maximum minimum of air that can be moved in out during single breath is called, ano pong tawag yan? Is the A, vital capacity, D, tidal capacity, C, residual volume, D, ventilation rate. Di ba kanina, yung pag-exhale natin, yung natirang oxygen sa body natin is tinatawag na residual volume. Ngayon naman, ang maximum of air can be moved in and out of the lungs is called what? Vital capacity po ang tawag. Vital capacity. The most of the ribs are hinged to the vertebral column at the back and to the blank at the front. So, ano pong tawag sa front? So, vertebral yung nakakonekta yung ribs natin sa likod sa vertebral column. Ang sa in front po, ano po, saan po siya nakakonekta? 'Di ba ito po, ang tinatawag po itong bone na parang plate lang siya is sternum. Tawag nito is sternum. So ang tamang sagot po dito is sternum. The expansion of lungs and inhalation of air are in part of result of expansion of lungs. So muscle of the lungs relax, allowing the lungs to get bigger. Nag-relax ba? So hindi. Decrease pressure in the intraprenural fluid. Hindi. Expansion po dito eh. Dapat expansion siya. Mataas yung pressure niya. Contraction of muscle to the diaphragm. So ito po ang tamang sagot. Contraction of muscles to the diaphragm. Which of the following are part in peripheral nervous system? See, which of the following a part of peripheral nervous system? So peripheral nervous system. So sensory pathway, automatic nervous system, voluntary nervous system. It is all of the above po. Which of the following part of neurons? Neurons is brain, spinal cord, and vertebral column. Hindi. Dendrite, axon, and cell body. Ito po, dendrites, axon, and cell body. So, sensory. So, dendrites. Ano po ang dendrites? Ang question po dito is parang ganun ito. Example sa mga out of the world type of question. Dendrites question. So, parang ganun. So, yung dendrites para saan siya? So, ang ibig sabihin nito is yung dendrites, yung action niya sa pag-send ng message, ano siya? Towards, backward, front. So, ang tawag po dito is toward. Kaya toward po ang question dyan. Ito. Number 36. The axon conduct nerves impulses away from, toward, both toward and away from, around and by surrounding passes only. So, axon is away from. Ito, the dendrites conduct nerve impulse toward. So, ang axon away. Which of the following types of neuron? Sensory neuron, motor, and interneuron. So, ang tawag sagot is all of the above. Tama naman lahat. A sensory neuron of peripheral nervous system take a impulse from sensory receptor to the. Ulitin po natin. Sensory neuron of peripheral nervous system take nerve impulses from the sensory receptor to the. Example, ang sensory neuron, bakit ito mga kamay natin, ganyan natin mapasok yan sa nakakuha po tayo ng example, mainit. Pag ganun, anong reaction ng body, di ba bibitawan natin kasi mainit. Yan, so, ang kamay natin is the sensory part. So, may neuron po siya. So, nag-serve po siya, saan siya papunta? Example, mainit, hawakan mo, saan siya pupunta? Yung sensory neuron of the peripheral nervous system takes nerve impulse from the sensory receptor, kamay natin, to the, saan siya? Motor, interneuron, automatic nervous system. Dito po, central nervous system, papuntang brain. Para, ang yung brain, from central nervous system, papunta na rin sa sensory receptor na bibitawan niya. Taong sagot po is central nervous system. 39. An interneuron has blank. An interneuron has blank. Long dendrite, short axon. Long dendrites, long axon. Short dendrites, long axon. Short dendrites, short dendrites, long or short axon. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is short dendrites and long axon. Good morning po. Ang tamang sagot po dito is short dendrites and long axon. So, okay. So, understood ba? Bakit po? Alam nyo ba yung na-picture out nyo ba yung cell neuron po. 'Di ba, mayroon siyang cell body, dendrites yung mga limited, tapos may kamay siya, parang axon po ang tawag yun. So short dendrites, long axon. So Schwann cell are one of the several types of blank cell in the nervous system. So Schwann cell, Schwann, parang ganun. So anong Schwann cell is a several type of blank cell in the nervous system. Sensory motor association, neuroglial. So anong tawag? Schwann cell are types of several neuroglial po. So the gaps in the myelin sheath are called, anong tawag po ng gaps ng myelin sheath? Yung dendrites natin, nabalot po siya ng myelin sheath. So ano pong tawag? Node of Ranvier, the synapse, axonal interstice, myelinoids. So ang tawag po dyan is rod of Ranvier. The resting potential indicate that the inside of neuron is blank compared to the outside. Anong tawag? Resting potential indicate in the inside of the neuron is blank compared to the outside. Ano pong tawag? So, under ionic pressure, positive, negative, inactive. So, resting potential indicate that in inside of the neuron is blank compared to the outside. Ang tamang sagot po dito is negative. The sodium-potassium pumps. So, anong ibig sabihin ng sodium-potassium pumps? So, sodium ions out and potassium in. Potassium ion in. Sodium ions in, potassium ions out. Sodium and potassium ion in, sodium and potassium ions out. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng sodium-potassium pumps? So, ang ibig sabihin nito is sodium ion out and potassium ion is in. So, acetylcholine and norepinephrine are so well known as postsynaptic receptor enzyme that rapid neurotransmitter, hormone neurotransmitter. So, ano pong tawag? They are called acetylcholine and norepinephrine are tinatawag na mga neurotransmitter po. Neurotransmitter. Acetylcholine and norepinephrine act because of their effect on receptor at blank membrane. Anong membrane? So, axonal cell membrane, presynaptic or postsynaptic. So, ano pong ibig sabihin? So, ang animal science din, isa din siya sa pinakamahirap. Especially if gantong question yung may encounter mo. So, naka-study ka ba ng ganyan? Hindi. Kasi, wag mong i-smellin yung exam kasi ang exam po, hindi po yan basic. Mas maganda, masanay kayo sa mahirap na question. So, acetylcholine and norepinephrine act because of their effect on the receptor at the blank membrane. Axonal cell body, presynaptic, postsynaptic. Ang tawag po dyan is postsynaptic. Which of the following is an enzyme that break down neurotransmitter? So, ano pong enzyme na mag-break ng neurotransmitter? Ano nga yung tawag ng enzyme, 'di ba? Sa every enzyme, makikita nyo, 'di ba? Meron siyang ACE sa last sentence niya or last word, may ACE enzyme. So, ano dyan ang may ACE? Acetylcholine, serotonin, dopamine, acetylcholinesterase. So, ibig sabihin, sa mga nabanggit, ito lang po ang di may ACE. So, it is a enzyme. So, ito po, acetylcholinesterase. What are the main division of nervous system? The main sensory system and motor system, the peripheral nervous and central nervous system, dendritic and axonal system, sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So, the main division of nervous system is peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. Yan pong dalawa. So, if may time kayo, paki-research na lang po ang yung nervous system. Makita nyo po yung organizational chart nandun. So, nabahin siya sa peripheral and central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system includes the nerve which are neurons with cell bodies that occur in peripheral nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system, brain and spinal or ganglia, dendritic and axonal systems, sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So, peripheral nervous system includes the nerve which are neuron with the cell body that occur in the brain and spinal or in ganglia. Sa PNS, peripheral nervous system, nerves are part of either the somatic or the blank motor system, central nervous system, sympathetic system, parasympathetic system, automatic system. So, ano ba ibig sabihin dyan? So, ang pining peripheral nervous system, nerve, are part of either somatic system or somatic means automatic po yan. Hindi kagaya ng hands natin na hands, utusan mo. So, di ba? O kumuha, utusan siya ng brain. Hindi. Ito po is ang PNS is automatic system po yan. Somatic system contain nerve that control blank. So, ano po ang somatic system? So, control the skeletal muscle, internal organ, joints and gland, skeletal muscle, skin and gland, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and glands. So, ano bang ibig sabihin? Ang somatic system controlled by skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle or system. Peripheral nervous system includes mixed nerve that blank serve the muscular and skeletal system, serve the sympathetic system, serve the parasympathetic system, contain both sensory and motor fibers, do not always know how to respond. So, ang peripheral nervous system include mixed nerve that contain both sensory and motor fiber. The sensory neuron that come from internal organs send impulses to the central nervous system or reflex action. So, ano po yan? Sensory neuron that come from internal organs send impulses to the central nervous system or reflex action are critical conscious decision making, help maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis means parang nag-relax or constant, parang relax mode. Ganun. Homeostasis. Trigger or neurotransmitter. Control our emotion modes. So, ang tawag dyan is help maintain homeostasis. Which of the following are characteristic of sympathetic system? Ano pong characteristic ng sympathetic system? So, inhibit the digestive tract, dilates the bronchi, accelerate the heartbeat, all of the above. Ang tama po, ito po ang characteristic na sympathetic system is all of the above po. Which of the following are characteristic of parasympathetic system? Parasympathetic system causes the pupil to contract, promote digestion, retard the heartbeat, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. Hello. So, 155. The central nervous system consists of blank brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord po ang tamang sagot. So, the part of the body that integrates the information it received from all over the body in order to make a decision is called. The part of the body that integrates the information it received from all over the body in order to make decision. Example, mga information na nakuha niya, siya magde-decide papunta yun. Sino yung responsible for that? Peripheral nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, central nervous system. Ang tamang sagot po dito is central nervous system. The blank contain the center for heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure. The blank contain the center of heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure. Diba sinabi ko na to kanina, na if ma-stroke kayo, if ito po yung nasira or siya yung na-damage, automatic dido kayo kasi siya yung responsible for heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure. Sino po? Cerebellum, cerebrum, spinal cord, medulla oblongata. Ang tawag po dito is medulla oblongata. The main function of the cerebellum is consciousness, muscle coordination, homeostasis, sense of reception. Ang main function ng cerebellum is muscle coordination po. If ito po na-damage during the stroke, either bedridden kayo or half paralysis yung body nyo or total paralysis. Kaya napakahirap po ito yung na-damage. In sensory neuron, stimuli are received by the sensory neuron are received in sensory neuron stimuli received by the sino nag-receive? Axon, dendrites, cell body, myelin sheath. So so ang sensory neuron stimuli are received by the cell body. So yung information ma-receive siya, papunta siya sa cell body. So all of the following is neurotransmitter are biogenic amines except biogenic amines: serotonin, dopamine, neuropeptide, norepinephrine. So anong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po dito, basahin po natin. All of the following is neurotransmitter are biogenic amines except serotonin, dopamine, neuropeptide, norepinephrine. Ang tamang sagot po dito is ang except is neuropeptide. So all of these are neurotransmitter biogenic amines except neuropeptides. So postsynaptic membrane are most likely to be found on synaptic membrane are most likely found on. Saan siya makikita? So axon, dendrites, neurocell, body, myelin sheath, hormones. It is found in axon po. What is the primary responsible for establishing the uneven sodium ions concentration inside and outside of neuron during the resting period? So who is the responsible what is primary responsible for establishing the uneven ions concentration inside and outside of a neuron during its resting potential? Active transport, simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is active transport. So during the resting potential of neuron, which of the following is less likely to be found in large quantity inside the neuron? So during the resting period resting potential of neuron, which of the following is less likely to be found in large quantities inside the neuron? So less likely to be found in large quantities. So inside the neuron. So mataas yung number niya. So marami siya during the resting potential of neuron. So sodium, potassium, negative charge, anion. So all of the above. Ang tamang sagot is sodium po. Sodium. GABA or gamma aminobutyric acid is normally found at saan po siya na-found? So neuromuscular junction, sensory receptor, excretory synapses, inhibitory synapses. GABA, saan po siya na-found? Neuromuscular junction, sensory receptor, excitatory synapses, inhibitory synapses. Ang tamang sagot po is inhibitory synapses. The pairing of neuron is also called depolarization and action potential. Both of the above. So ang tamang sagot po is pairing of the neuron. Pairing of the neuron is called depolarization and action potential. Both of them. So both of the above. Letter C. Nerves or impulses are normally carried toward a neuron cell body by the neuron. Nerve impulses are normally carried toward a neuron cell body by neuron. So sino? Toward. 'Di ba kanina may definition ng toward, sino 'yon? It is dendrites, toward. Away is axon. Dendrites is toward. Neurotransmitter release from vesicle at the. So, neurotransmitter are released from vesicle at the cell body, dendrites, cell nucleus, postsynaptic, presynaptic membrane. Saan po na-release neurotransmitter are released from vesicle at the cell body, dendrites, cell nucleus, postsynaptic, presynaptic membrane. Ang tamang sagot po is presynaptic membrane. Acetylcholinesterase, this is an enzyme. So, acetylcholinesterase is a neurotransmitter, an enzyme that break down the neurotransmitter, stimulate, trigger an action potential, and hormone. It is an enzyme that break down the neurotransmitter. The neurotransmitter at neuromuscular junction is called GABA, serotonin, acetylcholinesterase, acetylcholine. So, sino or ano? So, neurotransmitter at neuromuscular junction is acetylcholine. Which of the following is not part of behind the brain? So, which are not part? Pons, medulla oblongata, cerebrum, cerebellum. So, ang hindi is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is not part of the hindbrain, sa likod. So, neurons that carry impulses away from the central nervous system are called, anong tawag? So, away from the nervous system, palabas. So, sensory nerves, apparent nerves, efferent nerves, interneurons. Ang tawag dyan is efferent nerves. Efferent nerves. Which of the following is an example of antagonistic control system? Antagonistic control system. Flexor, extensor, sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Both of the above. So, anong tawag po? Anong tawag po? So, example of antagonistic control system, flexor and extensor, sympathetic and parasympathetic. So, both of them po. Both of them. So, stop mo na. Which of the following is an example of antagonistic system? Sinsya na po, kasi nandito po ako sa store. Nandito ako sa highway. So, napakaingay talaga. Sana po matanggal po yung mga noise dito. At maibigay ko. Gusto ko lang sana matapos tong module na to. So, which of the following is an example of antagonistic control system? Flexor and extensor. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Both of the above. It is both of the above. Flexor, antagonistic niya, extensor. Sympathetic, antagonistic niya is parasympathetic nervous system. So, all of the above. Both of them. So, what neurotransmitter is released in ganglia of the sympathetic nervous system? So, what neurotransmitter is released in ganglia of the sympathetic nervous system? It is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. So, a nerve impulse is received first by what part of the neuron? Nerve impulse is received by what part of the neuron? Ano nga yung toward? Toward is papunta sa kanya. Dendrites po, dendrites. The chemical release by a motor neuron at neuromuscular synapses that initiate muscle contraction. A chemical release by a motor neuron at the neuromuscular synapse that initiate muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. Along with the nervous system, the system coordinates with various activities of the part of the body. So, kasama siya sa nervous system. Coordinates various activities of the body. Digestive, endocrine, circulatory, respiratory, excretory. Ang tamang sagot po is endocrine system. So, 176 blank are chemical messenger that produce in one body region but not affect the different body region. Chemical messenger that produce in a body one region but affect a different body region. So, it is called enzyme, endocrine, neurotransmitter, nucleic acid, hormone. Ang tawag po dyan is hormone. Hormone are substance that fall into two basic categories. Hormone are substance fall that basic into basic categories. So, 1, stimulator hormone and receptor hormone, protein and sugar, male and female hormone, steroid peptide hormone, and steroid hormone, inter-organ or inter-organismic. So, ang tamang sagot po is non-steroid peptide hormone and steroid hormone. So, this to. The receptor for non-steroid peptide hormone are on the blank. So, the receptor for non-steroid hormone are on ano po ang receptor. So, A, plasma membrane, D, nuclear envelope, C, DNA receptor complex, D, peptide chain. So, it is called what? So, it is called plasma membrane. So, on the plasma membrane po siya, receptor for non-steroid peptide hormone is on plasma membrane. So, number 80, steroid hormone lead to the. So, steroid hormone lead to the, ano po? Destruction of normal DNA, replication of hormone by cell DNA, synthesis new enzyme, alteration of Krebs cycle. So, it is a replication of hormone by cell DNA. So, the hypothalamus regulates, ano pong nire-regulate ng hypothalamus? Heart rate, body temp, water balance, glandular secretion, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. So, the function of oxytocin is or are 2. So, the function of oxytocin is the cause uterus to contract during delivery, induce labor. Opo, so yan po ginagamit sa mahirapan yung isang pregnant manganak. So, yung dextrose niya, may dextrose kasama oxytocin to induce labor. C is stimulate the release of milk from the mammary gland where baby is nursing. So, isa din po tong oxytocin responsible para malabas po ang milk sa didi. So, ang tamang sagot is all of the above. Tama po yan lahat. So, hypothalamic releasing and release inhibiting hormone are transported from the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary by the way of. So, anong way niya? Para ang hypothalamic releasing and release inhibiting hormone are transported from the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary by the way of. So, saan? The general bloodstream, the portal system of blood vessel directly connected the two organ, direct contact between two organs, cascade of release, inhibits release, etc. interaction. So ano pong releasing hypothalamic releasing and release inhibiting hormone are transported from the hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary by the way of portal system of blood vessel directly connecting to the two organ. So, 184, hormone produced by anterior pituitary that have effect on the body rather than trigger another gland. So, ano po yan? Hormone produced by the anterior pituitary that have direct effect on the body rather than trigger another gland are. So, meron siyang have direct effect. Example, growth hormone, ito, GH, prolactin, at saka hormone para ma-release yung gatas. So, TSH, and gonadotrophic hormone, testosterone, estrogen, follicle stimulating hormone, GLH, progesterone. So, ang tamang sagot is GH, prolactin, and MSH, letter A. So, GH promotes, cell division, protein synthesis, bone growth. GH, growth hormone, cell division, protein synthesis, bone growth. Ang tawang sagot po ng GH promote protein synthesis po, protein synthesis. So, number 86. Which of hormone dramatically affect physical appearance? Which hormone dramatically affect physical appearance? So, gonadotrophic releasing hormone, growth, steroids, male and female. So, which hormone dramatically affect physical appearance is growth hormone po. Growth hormone. So, from small to tatangkad ka. The parathyroid gland are located. The parathyroid gland are located below the thyroid, hence the same name para. So, above the thyroid, hence the name para. Embedded in the posterior surface of the thyroid gland. Distant from the thyroid but named because there are two or they are resembled the thyroid gland. So, anong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po is embedded in the posterior surface of the thyroid gland. If blank is lacking in the diet, the thyroid gland enlarges, produce a goiter. So, ano pong lack dyan? Ang lack of thyroid is lack of iodine po, iodine. In addition of thyroxine and triiodothyronine, the thyroid gland produce ano pong na-produce sa thyroid gland? TSH, ACTH, calcitonin, follicle stimulating hormone, gonadotropic releasing hormone. So, ang tamang sagot mo dito is calcitonin. So, addition to thyroxine and triiodine, the thyroid gland produce calcitonin. Dito po, calcitonin po yan. Isa rin. Calcitonin, ano pong purpose ng calcitonin? Regulates the calcium level in the blood, is balance the action of parathyroid hormone, increase the deposit of calcium in the bone. So, it is all of the above po. Parathyroid hormone or PTH is what? Parathyroid hormone, PTH, is what? Stop the absorption of calcium from intestine, stimulate the releasing calcium by the kidney, causes the blood calcium level to decrease. So, causes the blood phosphate level to decrease. All of the above. Parathyroid hormone is responsible for causes blood phosphate level to decrease. If insufficient PTH, parathyroid hormone, is produced, the blood calcium level drop, resulting in if ang blood calcium natin level drop, ano pong magre-resultan siya? So, insufficient PTH is produced and blood calcium level drops, resulting in reduced growth in parathyroid or dwarfism, tetany whereby body shake and continuous muscle contraction, osteoporosis, blood clotting, exopaltic goiter. So, if insufficient siya ng PTH, so the blood calcium level will decrease. So, resulting to tetany where body shakes from continuous muscle contraction. Yan po, letter B. Calcium play an important role in so neural muscular conduction, muscle contraction, blood clotting, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. Adrenal gland consists of inner and outer layer of the kidney, inner medulla and outer cortex, lower adrenal and upper para-adrenal section, ECTH and BCTH section. So, So, ang tamang sagot is lower adrenal and upper para-adrenal section. Adrenal gland secrete small amount of both sex hormone. So, saan po yan? So, in the adrenal cortex, secrete a small amount of both sex hormone. So, ang tamang sagot po dito, medulla, cortex, accessories gland. It is adrenal cortex. Cortisol is blank. Ano po ang cortisol? Cortisol is sex hormone, glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids. So, cortisol is a glucocorticoid. ACTH control the secretion of. ACTH is control the secretion of. Ano pong kinokontrol niya na secretion of? A. Cortisol, B. Aldosterone, C. Pineperin, D. Testosterone. Ang tamang sagot po is Cortisol. The primary target of organ of aldosterone is the primary target organ of aldosterone is liver, pancreas, kidney. Ang tamang sagot po is kidney. Primary target of organ of aldosterone is kidney. Number 200. So, the pancreatic islets produce insulin and glucagon. Pancreatin, ACTH, aldosterone, pancreatic digestive enzyme. So, pancreatic islets produce what? Insulin and glucagon. 201. Insulin function 2. So, let's promote the storage of nutrient, lower the blood glucose level by stimulate uptake of glucose by cell. Tamang sagot po is stimulate uptake of glucose by cells.